Your return is much appreciated by the CoinSeries channel. How do I go about selling my PI network in 2024? Would you like to know the secret to making money in PI? Learn everything you need to know about selling Pi coins with us, from centralized exchanges to the benefits and drawbacks of trading Pi currency IOUs on major platforms. Stay updated so you can navigate the constantly shifting cryptocurrency market and make informed decisions regarding the future of your PI assets. Keep yourself updated. We can explore what's feasible as a team. We are pleased to have you visit the CoinLady channel. Subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to be ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency market and to stay up with all the newest predictions from PI Network News. In the future, we will ensure that you receive more news about the Pi Network. Be careful to mention your nation along with the words "Pipe Network to the Moon" when you leave a remark. Okay, then, I will begin. At this moment, nobody knows when exactly Pi Network will launch its principal net. The value of Pi coins is also up to conjecture because they aren't listed on any recognized exchanges. Several options will be available to you in 2024 if you wish to withdraw your PI coins. Nevertheless, there are risks and challenges associated with each of them. P2P transactions can be one of them. Users of Pi coin have the option to determine their own selling prices if they wish to test out peer-to-peer transactions. However, be extremely cautious because the internet economy is rife with fraud and other forms of deceit. The risks of doing business with strangers, whether online or in person, can be mitigated by being vigilant, employing rigorous verification measures, and adhering to best practices. Allocating funds in a sequential manner. Additionally, PI coin holders can use their coins to pay for goods and services directly at stores that take PI. Although there is a problem with the limited number of stores that accept Pi, this does offer a practical way to spend Pi without engaging in regular sales. A small range of products and services may be available to users in the PI ecosystem that trades Pi currency IOUs. People seeking substitutes might be able to get around the liquidity market by trading Pi coin IOUs on marketplaces like Bitmart and Kobe. However, there are obstacles along this path. Numerous factors influence the worth of these IOUs, including the demand for them, the rate of adoption by users and developers, the level of price competition from other cryptocurrencies, and the constantly evolving legal environment. It is uncertain whether exchanges would fulfill these IOUs, and the fact that the PI network team has not yet granted approval adds further uncertainty. Lastly, to maximize the potential of the alternatives to selling Pi coins in 2024, a nuanced approach is necessary. Careful planning, thorough research, and ongoing education are essential for Pi currency investors to make informed decisions. Due to the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, staying informed is essential for avoiding pitfalls and making the most of one's Pi coins investment. Please don't hesitate to ask for additional assistance if you require any further clarity or have any other inquiries. The Atlantis Exchange's IOO pair pipe network has a steep decline of more than 64%. The Atlantis market saw a price stabilization of $18,000 for the pipe network IOU pair after a 64% decline. This pair is known for its pipe or bust feature. The recent surge to record levels of cryptocurrency has been followed by a precipitous decline, which has given a sense of uncertainty to the market for both traders and investors. With a staggering high of $50,000, the Pi network IOO pair has been quite volatile over the past 24 hours. However, the sudden decline in value catches many market players unawares, leading to a panicked selling spree and creating doubt and dread among Bitcoin aficionados. Atlantis is a well-known digital asset market, and investors have rushed there in the hopes of profiting from the Pi network IOO pair's extremely volatile pricing. Investors are reconsidering their wagers and re-evaluating the dangers linked to the Bitcoin market as a result of the abrupt decline in value. The revolutionary mining process and decentralized consensus behind the recently established cryptocurrency project PI network have caused investor interest to surge. A precipitous decline in price, however, would cause investors to doubt the project's long-term viability. What precipitated the precipitous decline is a mystery to all. The experts agree that the best course of action is to use both cryptocurrencies and profit realization strategies. Market mood and the intrinsic volatility of the cryptocurrency business could have contributed to the quick depreciation of the Pi Network IOO pair. Cryptocurrencies are quite susceptible to quick price swings induced by unexpected changes in the market because of their speculative character. Whether this correction signals a short-term setback or a more substantial change in the value of cryptocurrencies will likely determine the future of the Pi network, the IOU pair, and market mood. Market dynamics are being closely monitored by traders and investors in order to ascertain the most probable trajectory of events. There are risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies, so potential buyers should exercise caution and conduct thorough research before placing their funds into the market. Cryptocurrency market prices can swing rapidly, several times in a short length of time, and frequently by substantial amounts. Considering everything, selling Pi coins in 2024 is fraught with peril and difficulty. Some of these alternatives include exchanging Pi coin IOUs on platforms like Bitmart and Huobi, direct spending, and P2P transactions. Others include the speculative character of the market and the fact that Pi currency is not available on authorized exchanges. They bring with them an additional layer of complexity and difficulty. You should be cautious due to the likelihood of frauds, even though there is a lot of freedom in P2P transactions. A number of factors, including mainnet anticipation, adoption levels, competition, legislative changes, and the fact that direct spending has limited merchant acceptability, make trading Pi coin IOUs a challenging and uncertain endeavor. Pi Network IOO pair's recent precipitous fall in value on the Atlantis exchange is more proof of how unpredictable cryptocurrency markets are. By the end of the day, selling Pi coins in 2024 requires a complex technique. Investors in Pi coins should proceed with caution, conduct thorough research, and stay informed about market movements in the cryptocurrency industry to make informed decisions. The present market decline emphasizes the inherent risks of investing in cryptocurrencies. Therefore, investors should approach with knowledge of market dynamics and prudence. You can always ask for help or more explanation if you need it. Your participation in our investigation into the possibility of selling Pi coins in 2024 is much appreciated. As we navigate the unknowns of Pi Network's mainnet launch and the ever-changing crypto industry, it is important to remember that selling your Pi coins requires a smart plan. Whether you're thinking of buying cryptocurrencies directly from other users, sending them as gifts, or trading them on sites like Bitmart, it's important to proceed with caution, do your research, and continue learning about cryptocurrencies. Being well-informed and vigilant is key in the volatile Bitcoin market. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you enjoyed this and would want to receive updates on all things related to the Pi network and Bitcoin. Feel free to leave your comments and questions in the designated area. Please follow my Twitter account, coin_Cerise. Subscribing to my channel would mean the world to me. Until we meet again, goodbye.